Mini arch tutorial. 5 16-centimeters tail balloons connected in a row. Pairs of 5-inch balloons twisted together. Prepare 4 sets to be inserted into the balloon string one after another. Inflate the white balloon to 20 centimeters. Wrap the balloon skin around. Inflate the blue balloon to 16 centimeters. Wrap to full circles with the balloon neck to secure it. 12 centimeters balloons, arranged in sets of 4. Likewise, wrap and secure it with balloon skin. Prepare to bases. Secure the assembled balloon to the base. The other side is the same. Here is the mini arch you can make right at home.